Can a worm fly? Uh-oh, that didn't look like flying. That looked like a falling rock. Why did it look so robotic?
Ouch! Too stiff.
Real things in nature don't move in straight, boring, dry lines. They move in beautiful curves.
Wow!
Have you noticed why the leaf looks so real? Because it follows a beautiful curved path. In animation, we call this an arc. Now let's make our own flying worm. First, we'll sculpt this cute little worm from clay. Then we'll place it on a leaf, and I'll show you how to animate the leaf using the Disney arc principle. Ready? Let's go! If you want to learn more Disney animation secrets and create fun clay animations with us every week, don't forget to subscribe and join our animation adventure. See you in the next video!